Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Etsy Shop Manager, manage listings and orders step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Type Etsy.com in the address bar and press enter. Click the sign in button at the top right of the Etsy homepage. Enter the email address you used to create your Etsy account. Type your password carefully and make sure caps lock is off. Click sign in to access your Etsy account. If you use Google, Apple, or Facebook login, choose that option and follow the prompts. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password and complete the reset steps. After signing in, look for the Shop Manager icon at the top right. Click Shop Manager to open your seller dashboard. If you do not see Shop Manager, click your profile icon and select Sell on Etsy or Shop Manager. On the left sidebar, click Dashboard to view your shop's current activity. Click Listings to see all items you have for sale. Click Add a listing if you want to create a new product from scratch. Select an existing listing and click Edit to update photos, title, tags, or description. Scroll to the Pricing and Inventory section and confirm your price and quantity are correct. Click Publish or Save changes to apply your updates. Go back to Listings and use the search bar to quickly find a specific item. Use the listing status filters to view active, draft, expired, or sold out items. In the left sidebar, click Orders and Shipping to manage customer purchases. Check the News section to see orders that still need to be processed. Click an order to review the buyer's address, items, and any notes. Confirm your processing time and prepare the package for shipment. Click Get Shipping Labels if you want to buy and print an Etsy shipping label. Enter package weight and dimensions, then select the correct shipping service. Click Complete Order after you add tracking or mark the order as shipped. Message the buyer from the order page if you need clarification or want to send an update. Return to the orders list and confirm the order status shows completed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.